Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Aduka Mutmin, and now I will about to tell you about my minor project, which is a mechanical timing device. As we know, the mechanical timing devices not only used in watch, clock, but it also used in the car and robotic industries. So based on my research, I choose microwave oven as my minor product. So now we move to the next part, which is my minor product, which is the microwave oven. Actually, there are many components that are used in the microwave oven, but I only take 6. For the first one is knob, second one is the magnetron tube, the gear, turntable, metal walls, and last but not least is motor. So now we explain you how the component functions, in the microwave oven. The knob is used to start the cycle by pulling out the knob. The magnetron tube, an electronic tube that produce high frequency microwaves oscillations. The gear drive a shaft at desired rate. The turntable for spinning slowly round. The metal walls reflect the waves that produced by the magnetron tube. And last but not least, the motor is used to convert the electrical energy to the mechanical energy. The mechanism of the timer is first one adjusting, the second one is rotating, cycle, switching, and shaft. So the application that used in the timer is used as signal generator. Reference signal gives the reference pulse by changing the time period of the timer fastness. The third one is a particular time delay, a timer circuit. And the fourth one is for triggering the digital flip-flop circuits. Okay, now next we move to the next part, which is I will explain you about the sequence functions of the microwave oven based on the timer. Okay, so first, this is the knob. When we turn the knob to the left, the timer will begin to start. So the timer is actually connected to the gear, and we push the other gear to turn on the magnetron tube. Not only the magnetron tube, but whole of the components will work as the knob is turned on. So this is the magnetron tube. This is where the waves will produce by the magnetron tube. Okay, a powerful magnet is placed around the anode. Where is the anode? This is the anode to provide the magnetic field in which the microwaves will be generated. While a thermal protector, this is a thermal protector, is mounted directly on the magnetron tube to prevent damage to the tube from overheating. An antenna, this is the antenna, enclosed in a glass tube is mounted on top of the anode. And then the air within the tube is pumped out to create a vacuum. Also a blower motor, this one, used to cool the metal fins of the magnetron tubes. Okay, is attached directly to the tube. So next, the magnetron blasts these waves into the foot compartment through a channel called a waveguide. Then the foot sits on the turntable, and the turntable will spinning slowly around. The last one is the microwaves bounce back and forth off the reflective metal walls of the foot compartment. So this is the last one. So this is my suggestions on how to increase or to to improve to improve the timer. For the first one is I will add the AI system in the timer. So for AI system, we can use Google or Josh I. This is one of the AI system, or Apple, the popular one. So we're all about simplicity. I strive to make the interface between users and technology one that is intuitive and natural as any user of new technology. You may be confused on how to speak to a voice controlled home automation system, so I make the experience so easy. You should just to be able to start using it. So this is the easy one because you can set the timer by only by using your voice. So you don't need to turn the knob. So this is a simple way. The next one, my suggestions is use the LED touch screen. So as we know, the LED touch screen are now very popular in any device, which is the phone lah. Why not we apply this the LED touch screen to the timer? So we can easily use it because we have experienced it in phone. So the last one is add sound to the timer. Instead of creating sound on the timer to make sure that it's already done, why not we add the robot sound like done? We make it loud to inform the user. The user will aware of that and make a fast move. So most of the time, the user did not hear and not aware while cooking using the microwave. So we make a repetition sound so that the user will hear and aware that the cook is ready. So that's all for my presentation about my microwave oven, which is the mechanical timing device. Thank you.